Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use Boolean properties in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and log in on your account. And once you're in your main dashboard, select the project that you're working on. To begin, what are Boolean properties? These are ways to customize pre-made shapes and make new ones. To do so, first, let's make two kinds of shapes. First, a rectangle, and then let's make a triangle. Now, after you select both of these, like that, go to the left panel and click right here. These are four of the Boolean properties that you can use. For union, this would combine the two shapes that you can see as selected. If you click, as you can see, they are combined. But to edit them, you simply have to double click on the shape and you can easily move it like that and adjust it. So how about subtract? So what this will do is it will remove the top shape out of the bottom one. Let's say if we have the triangle in front and the rectangle at the back, when we use subtract, it will remove the triangle. However, if we have the triangle at the back and the rectangle in front, and once we use subtract, that will happen. And for the next one, the intersect, when you click on this, only the intersected parts of the two shapes will remain in Figma. And lastly, again, let's select it. If we use exclude, the intersected parts would be removed like that. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!